Hi, my name's Billy Turnbow with Cisco Tech. In this video, I would like to show you how to perform simple certificate management in IM and Presence. I will be demonstrating certificate deletion, regeneration, and verification. First, let's go to the OS administration page in my Presence Publisher node. Now under Security, select Certificate Management. Now let's sort for Tomcat certificates only. Here, we're going to delete the self-signed Tomcat certificate. Then, regenerate the Tomcat certificate. Open the Tomcat Trust certificate and we can review the serial number. We can use this to verify the certificates in the GUI page. However, to verify certificates in the command line interface, we have to rely on the fingerprint value. Using the command run SQL select star from CUP Trust certificate, we can obtain all trust certificates from the node. Copy and paste this to Notepad. Here is our Tomcat Trust certificate. I can tell because I can see the path for the Tomcat Trust certificate under tomcat/trust-certs and the name of the certificate as a .pem file. So the fingerprint value for this certificate is here. We don't necessarily have to perform these verification steps to move forward, but they can be useful if we run into issues. Now that we have this information, let's delete the Tomcat Trust certificate. We can see from the certificate management page that the certificate is gone. So now that the Tomcat Trust certificate is deleted, I'm going to regenerate the Tomcat certificate. When I regenerate that, the Tomcat Trust certificate will also be created since the Tomcat Trust is just a copy of the self-signed Tomcat certificate. Now that the certificate is regenerated, you can see that the serial number value has changed. And we also see the Tomcat Trust was added. To make this change complete, we have to restart the Cisco Tomcat service since this is a Tomcat certificate. Do this for all nodes where this certificate change will take effect, which will especially be the present subscriber. And make sure you give this a good 10 minutes to complete even after the restart shows successful. I've given this some time, so now let's confirm the changes from the command line interface. I'm going to do this with the run SQL CUP own and CUP trust commands. Let's copy and paste this in a new notepad. On the top is the Tomcat certificate. You can see that the fingerprint value matches the bottom Tomcat Trust value. Finally, let's verify this change also updated on the subscriber. Since the publisher and subscriber must trust each other, the present subscriber will need the present publisher's Tomcat certificate in its Tomcat Trust list. And here you can see the serial number of the Tomcat Trust certificate matches the present publisher's Tomcat certificate. Of course, you can also verify the fingerprint values in the command line interface. These same steps apply for CUP and CUP XMPP certificates as well. Please check the Cisco video portal for more videos on present certificate management. Thank you for watching.